locate the radio, which is here in the middle of the car, and under that you'll find two screws. Posi drive. Take off the two screws and the release, like so. Release your hazard lights, which is just a little clip there. Release them and you'll find 4 screws. There and there, and a reflection of foam. Always try to use a magnetic screwdriver. You don't want to lose anything down that hole. Wow, this beast is heavy. No radio code. I'm glad I bought a new one from Timu. 4 separate clips on the back. To do these brackets, you're going to need them. That's it, sell by date. It's a nice one though. Shame to throw it away. And I'm very excited to say that it's turned up. Isn't that nice? With all the wiring, the gubbins, the reversing camera and everything like that. So, what is he from there? First of all, we have to take our little fans off. From there, take our little fans off, take the hazard off in the middle, and we'll save them and put them safe down there. Okay then, let's get to it. Ooh, that's a lot of wiring. And don't forget to save the unit, as this goes with your old stereo, which is worth about 150 quid. That cost 89. I'm making money out of my car. The hazards go forward out. You don't bring them out this way, they go that way. Instructions are in English, that's fantastic. Don't think you know it because it's a plug and play. No, you must read the instructions. That do. I haven't done anything yet, and it already looks fantastic. That is massive. That's massive. It's not as complex as it looks. It's just a sat nav. Got the reversing camera, my extra subwoofers and everything going there. That's straight plug and play. These are wires, these are, and there's more wires down here, and there's more wires down. Oh, God, I need to clean. There's more wires down there. And I'm only up to page 2. So all the wires are connected. It's a plug and play, so you shouldn't need most of the ones coming out your car. USBs coming out. I'm just taking everything out the vent first because I've got to measure it. There's a microphone to go on. There's the USBs to put in professionally somewhere. So the next best thing is to really, oh wait, then let's hang it up a bit better. It's a bit better. Put them in bags and put them through the vent for a minute. Right, let's turn the car on and, well, here we go. Let's turn the heater on. Let's come straight on. That's fantastic. That's great. Right, what do I do now? I've given up on that. I don't know. Let's have a look. Let's have a play. You're not watching. That's amazing. I press the Wi-Fi button and my name comes straight up there. I've turned on the Wi-Fi. It's asking me for my password on my Wi-Fi network. This is very easy so far. Bonus. So we've got navigation, we've got music, we've got a radio here on the FM so far, but that will be connected to my phone for internet radio. Navi. I wonder what that means. Oh, I haven't got a clue. Welcome, Master.
Welcome, Master.
What? Hello. All the ways to get around your city. Here we go. Let's have an experiment. Look at this, already built in. YouTube. Here we go. Play Store, Dab, Google. Wow. Auxiliary BT calculator as you're driving. Chrome, file, downloads, Navi, original car, radio, sound recorder, sound effects, video. We'll be doing a lot of that. Let's test out the YouTube. Dun 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 dun. Am I allowed to watch YouTube while I'm driving? I don't think so. Yeah, what are you going to do on YouTube for me? There we go. It's bloody, oh my God, is it my YouTube? No, I suppose I have to sign in. Oh God, watch YouTube when you're driving. That's crazy. Shall we? Living on the Estate, Channel 4 documentary. No, we shan't. I don't want to watch it. Go back. See, that's that button up there. Go back. Oh, this is all exciting. Go buy yourself a Christmas present over here again. What? What? Pussycat! Looking good, looking good. All signed into my account. This is fantastic. Look how far I've got to travel. It's a 27-hour journey. Start from Scotland. Oh, what's this? Keep your eye on the road. Yes, I haven't left yet. 27-hour journey. How many miles is it to Orgiver? This is amazing. Look at that.
And right.
There we go, 1,731 miles. We'll get this tidied up. We get all this tidied up. We get our sat-navs in. We'll get our cameras all pitched up, ready for the journey. Excellent job. £87. Now, in fact, I've just had a thought. I'm going to go no tolls all the way down. It's going to take me about 4 or 5 days, 1,700 miles. But I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a journey and a half, this one. All the way down there, from all the way up there. I've done it loads of times, just a walk in the park. I'm going to get that bastard arrested. I personally like this one. Wherever my camera goes, it follows. Hello, car stereo, car stereo, car stereo, car stereo. It's mirroring anything I'm looking at. That's quite mad. I've never seen anything as crazy. Look. What? How does that work? It's vanished. I found vanished. He's working in there and I'm tossing. What a stereo. Wow, I'm blown away. Blown away. Blown away.
Riding my car, let's roll tonight.